Hey everyone, thanks for watching Tech and Sport on YouTube. In today's video, I'm gonna help you cancel Epidemic Sound free trial subscription. Before starting the process, make sure that you are logged on your right account. It took me a while to figure this out because the account that I was looking to cancel the subscription with, it actually wasn't the account that I signed up on the free trial with. So just make sure that you log, on Epidemic Sound with the account that you actually signed up on the free trial with. After doing so, come over to their webpage. Make sure, after you see this interface, you just come over here and click on the three dot or whatever as it called. You click on it and you're gonna find account, and over here you will see manage subscription, and the process is actually pretty simple. Scroll down, you're gonna see cancel subscription, and the next, I'm canceling it. That's actually the reason, because I signed up for the thing, and I feel like I wouldn't have enough time to actually start using this platform, so I'm gonna cancel the free trial for now and then get back at it later. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching the video. If you find the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more, like the video, and let me know how it was at the comment section.